Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cook with an Italian 100%. Today guys, again vegetarian, we're going to make polpette di melanzane, aubergine balls. Very nice, easy to do. We need just, of course, aubergine, 1 egg, breadcrumb, some basil, parsley, garlic, and Parmesan. This is my way to make it, but yeah, different. Okay. Well, we start easy. We're going the first thing, boiling water. Who put in the oven? Easy. Boiling the water. Already I peel it, but easy. Chop it. If you want to use the one of these, you can use, but I prefer by knife. Is more easy. And we need as well some sunflower oil because we're gonna deep fry it. Okay? Okay, guys. Now just chop it. You don't need the precise. Like that. Yeah, just straight in the boiler water. I'm gonna make some more because Enrico, my son, like it. Like that. Now, just a little bit salt. Nice, like that. Lid on, leave like that 7 to 10 minutes. See you in 7 to 10 minutes, okay? Okay guys, 10 minutes. Turn it off. And wait. Perfect. And now we leave this to cool down a little bit. You see? I want to show you, they're gonna be soft, but not too soft, you know? Stuff like that. Because we're gonna mix. Okay, now they cool down and we start make ready for the mix, all this stuff. Okay, we need make ready. I use sunflower oil. Okay. And I don't know, we're gonna wait 5 minutes to just cool down a little bit because we're gonna mix by hand. Maybe they too hot. Okay? See you in another 5 minutes, okay? Guys, they cool down now. The water, there are a lot of water inside. You have to do this. You take again, try to squeeze more. You know how much water they? Okay, and put it in the bowl. It's very important. This bowl. And last one. Okay. Okie dokie. Okay, guys. In this time, guys, put the oil on because we're almost ready. In this bowl, we start put some Parmesan. It's like 4 or 5 tablespoons. Yeah, this is all flavor, guys. Okay, we say Parmesan. We have parsley. We have some basil. I like with garlic. If you don't like garlic, just don't use it. I told you I like garlic, eh? Hey, done. Okay, put 1 egg. And some breadcrumb. Okay? And now I'll use the fork to mix everything. Squeeze the aubergine. Or like me, I prefer this by hand, okay? Because it's more, you can mix very much better. Dough gonna be very soft. If it's too soft, just put some more breadcrumb. In this case, I think I have to put a little bit more. Okay? Mix very well. You know, when you have I want to show you, when you have the feed, you can build one bowl like this. It's done. Okay. Now the time I wash my hands and make ready something clean here, and see you soon. Okay. Okay, guys, the mix is ready. Well, it's solid, but you know, not too soft. Make ready 1 tray and put some breadcrumb in. Okay, and I prefer make wet your hands like this because no stick on. Okay, let's start. Try to make the balls the same, you know, the same side. You see? Perfect. Even a little bit. Put in the breadcrumb. is, I move it a bit, but is on. You know, sometimes it happens, but you have to wet your hand. It's much better, you see? Okay, do this and later in the breadcrumb in the plate, breadcrumb, it's like this. Job done. Everything here is cooked. You have to, in the oil, just they're gonna take the color, you know. Just check the oil. And inside. That's it. Make ready one plate with kitchen roll here. That's it. Yeah, when they take the color, they're ready. Guys, 3 minutes, you see? They perfect. The smell is absolutely stunning. It's perfect. Okay, now the 2 minutes they cool down and we're going to try it, okay? Some aubergine balls, melanzane, polpette di melanzane, they're ready. And now it's time to try it. Look, super soft. Smell and wow, they're delicious. Very, very. Maybe I miss a little bit more salt, but they absolutely delicious. Guys, the aubergine balls, well, perfect. The aubergine balls is just a easy vegetarian herb, and if you like it, just finger up and follow us. Ciao!